Hi everyone, today I have the GLOUE BUG ZAPPER inhaler. The mosquito killer is suitable for indoors and residential office. It's non-toxic. So let's open it up and see what we have. It's a pretty simple box here, not too much inside. Here we have a USB to micro cord. I'd like to see how long this is because that's important, I think. Oh yeah, it's a good 3 feet long. So let's set that off to the side. Nothing else inside, no instructions, no nothing. Pull a cover off the product. Here we have it. It's a blue color, satin color blue. It's plastic. The whole device is plastic, you can see. Here we have the light touch switch on the top. We have the chamber inside here. We have an LED light that lights up, that draws in the insects. I believe it's a purple color, and we're going to fire it up here in a second. The chamber brings them in, and the fan, which is down below, you can see here, draws the mosquitoes in, cuts them up, traps them down inside this basket, which is conveniently located at the bottom of the unit, which you just basically put on and twist to hold it in place. You dump the mosquitoes or bugs out after they get inside here. So pretty nice. I mean, overall it's a nice little quality plastic. It's not bad. It doesn't feel like it's cheap. Plug it in and see. On the side here, we have only one plug for this. This is a micro USB, which is the cord they gave us. So let's plug it in, see what it looks like, see what it sounds like. That's important. Hopefully it's as quiet as they say it is. And we'll plug it in here. Yep, there it is. And it says it has a light touch switch on it. You just lightly put your finger above it. As you can hear, it's a very quiet fan, a nice little soothing sound. It has the purple LED like a bug zapper to draw the insects in. They draw into this chamber, and you can feel the air being drawn down. On the bottom of it, you can feel the air blowing out. So the fan's drawing in, the air's blowing out to give it a better suction. So what I'd like to do is I'm going to set it up for a couple weeks and put it in my living room and just let it run and see how many insects I have within 2-week period. Show you all that, see what it catches. I mean, I don't have a lot of bugs in my house, but there are a few. So as you open and close the door, of course, I live out in the country and the mosquitoes like to come in and out of the door. So hopefully this will catch them so I won't get bit. Okay, so I'd like to show you how this works. I've set it up on a chair in my living room, and you can see the bugs are already being drawn into the mosquito inhaler. They're attracted to the ultraviolet light, the purple light, which are like on a bug zapper. But you can see in the bottom of the tray that there's already a bunch of bugs captured down there. So this little bugger works really good. I mean, it's quiet, draws them in, sucks them down inside. Perfect device. How many bugs it collected in less than 2 weeks? Quite a few. There's some dead mosquitoes down in there too, you can see. So it really does work. Very pleased with it. The built-in DC fan is so powerful it can suck down mosquitoes, but at the same time it also keeps whisper quiet, so it will not interfere with your sleep at all. The purple light will attract fruit flies, mosquitoes, and moths. Once they pass through the capture window, the built-in DC fan draws them into the storage box. Then the mosquitoes are trapped and they will die. It does not contain any toxic chemicals, pesticides. It's safe and harmless. Its USB interface is suitable for living rooms, kitchens, bedrooms, hospitals, and cars. To simply use, place in a room, on a table or chair, close to the ground, close all doors and windows and turn off lights in the room. Then leave the item on for overnight and the mosquitoes will be drawn to the purple light. So that's my review on the GLOUE Bug Zapper Inhaler Mosquito Trap with the Ultra Quiet Fan. I purchased it on Amazon for $38.99 and I'll leave that link down below if you want to purchase one. This little guy did everything it said it would do. It caught mosquitoes, moths, and flies. Didn't even notice it running. It's so quiet. Just set it up and let it do its thing. So I'm going to be giving this a Captain Mark's 5-star review because it did what it said it was going to do and more. So if you think this information was useful in helping you purchase this Bug Zapper inhaler or any of the other products on my channel, why don't you give me that thumbs up? And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button down below. And, of course, hit the bell to the right to catch all my new upcoming videos. I got a lot more coming up, a lot more reviews, so I think you're going to like them. So this is Captain Mark saying thank you for watching.